Introducing the MX-0402-MST, a 5K conference presentation switcher designed for hybrid environments. It offers 4 inputs and 2 outputs, and a built-in USB 3.0 hub for KVM Expansion, making it ideal for mid-size meeting rooms and classrooms. This switcher supports various 5K resolutions, delivering crystal-clear visuals for large conference rooms. With 2 USB-C and 2 sets of HDMI and USB host inputs, it connects up to 4 devices, including laptops and room PCs, supporting flexible setups and multiple presenters in any presentation scenario. It provides 2 HDMI outputs, allowing dual-screen display and flexible room setups. Combined with the in-desk box, the switcher becomes a one-touch tabletop control system, allowing presenters to switch sources instantly with a simple touch. This switcher offers 2 full-featured USB-C ports with 60-watt power delivery, keeping your laptop charged through long hybrid meetings and preventing interruptions. It also supports USB-C MST, enabling one laptop to extend to 2 external displays with a single cable, giving presenters more space to share content and making meetings more efficient. The switcher features a 4-port USB 3.0 hub, allowing you to connect essential meeting gear such as a webcam, speakerphone, or a mouse and keyboard for the room PCs. No matter which device you've switched to, it keeps all peripherals connected and ready for your hybrid meeting. The dual Ethernet design allows you to isolate your private network from the guest network for security, or extend network connectivity to additional devices. This switcher provides versatile control options for convenient management. With the intuitive web UI, you can manage and monitor all connected devices, making control and administration easier. Paired with the switcher, the LAN-based Touchpad Controller puts complete meeting control at your fingertips. For advanced customization, technicians can integrate control via RS-232 or Telnet API commands. Moreover, with WyreStorm's SYGMA Cloud, you can configure your system remotely and ensure everything runs smoothly. Now, are you ready to elevate your conference experience to the next level? Visit WyreStorm.com to get started.